get buckled. Hands on bars. No, you'll be able to, Dad'll be able to just crawl it. I just want you to have your hands where you want them. He's coming around this way. No, as I started up, I could hear him spinning. That's why I stopped, because I'm like, before I get clear up there and he needs something. The way everybody else went, because this one's got deeper ruts.
Do what now?
That one.
That one?
Yeah. Less ruddy. Yes, sir.
I want to go up that.
No.
No, we're not gonna climb up the rocks, honey.
Buddy, that's high enough.
Making it, bud?
I'm hungry.
Okay. I'll get you a snack in a minute, okay? Go back over.
There's so many hands on there.
Oh, somebody thought it'd be cool to hang them up there, evidently.
It is a little cool, but it's trash. People throw it away.
Right. Just throw your trash away. Now be careful up there, bud.
This is more like
This one's more of a waterfall than that one up there was.
That one just like a spring coming out of the ground.
No, I mean that was water, but it's just running down the rock face,
Yeah.
basically all that was.
a
Imagine.
pool. It's a little slider.
Yeah, don't get over there in that. Okay,
No.
it'll probably be slippery and you'll go right off the edge there. That's about, I don't know, 6 feet. It's
Break
far
my
enough to
bottom.
get hurt.
Right, because there's the rocks on the bottom then.
Yeah, and I was
It's all
breaking my
hard. There's
bottom.
nothing soft there. Only thing you can